Hey everyone, welcome to the Affiliate Marketing Masterclass 2025. I'm excited you're here, because over the next few lessons, you're going to learn how regular people in the United States and around the world are building real online income streams through affiliate marketing. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and why it's one of the easiest ways to start an online business without a product, office, or inventory. What affiliate marketing is. So, let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is when you promote another company's product or service online, and you earn a commission each time someone buys through your special tracking link. Imagine this: a software company sells a $100 tool. They offer you a 30% commission for every sale you bring in. You share your unique link on your website, YouTube channel, or TikTok bio. Someone clicks it, buys the product, and boom, you make $30. You never have to handle payments, ship items, or manage customers. The company does all that for you. Your job is simply to connect the right audience to the right product. Why it's powerful. Affiliate marketing is powerful because it gives you leverage. Once your link is out there, in a blog post, a YouTube description, or an email, it can keep earning for you 24/7. Some creators call it passive income, but it's really active setup, passive rewards. You work smart up front by creating useful content that ranks on Google or gets clicks on YouTube, then those videos or pages keep generating sales while you sleep. That's why thousands of Americans are switching from traditional jobs to digital marketing or side hustles that involve affiliate income. How affiliate marketing works. Step by step. Let's break it down into 4 simple steps. 1. Find a niche, something you're interested in or something with high demand. Finance, tech, beauty, fitness, or AI tools. 2. Join affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, Impact, Digistore24, and others. 3. Create content, videos, blogs, email newsletters, or short-form posts that review or recommend products. 4. Drive traffic, use YouTube SEO, Pinterest, or paid ads to bring viewers who are ready to buy. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, the company tracks it and sends you your commission, usually monthly. Example and earnings potential. Let's take a quick US-based example. Suppose you create a YouTube channel reviewing AI tools for business owners. Each video gets 20,000 views. You recommend one paid AI tool with a $10 monthly subscription and a 40% recurring commission. If just 200 people sign up through your link, you earn $4 x $200, just or $800 per month, every month. Combine that with ad revenue, maybe $20 RPM on US traffic, and you're easily over $1,000 a month from a single video. Common mistakes. Beginners often make one of 3 mistakes. 1. They promote too many random products with no focus. 2. They copy content from others instead of building trust. 3. They quit too soon. Most affiliates need 2 to 3 months before consistent sales start rolling in. The solution? Pick one niche, one platform, and commit for at least 90 days. Remember, people buy from people they trust, so your job is to educate, not just sell. Make honest product reviews, share your experience, and add value. The more authentic your content feels, the higher your conversion rate will be. In the US market, trust and transparency matter even more. Always disclose affiliate links with a short line like, "This video contains affiliate links, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you." Scaling up with AI. Once you start earning, it's time to scale. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT for writing scripts, Canva or InVideo for visuals, and email automation tools like ConvertKit or System.io to build your funnel. The goal is to turn your affiliate work into a small digital business that runs mostly on autopilot. So, that's your foundation. Affiliate marketing is about matching products with audiences, and getting rewarded for helping people find what they need. In the next lesson, we'll dive into how to choose a profitable niche and identify which categories pay the highest commissions in the US market.